As we move on to a game called Sound Effects. This is for Ryan and Colin. Colin is going to perform an everyday activity. We can mime it, in fact, but the noise is going to be provided by Ryan using this, what we call a microphone. And what's your everyday activity? You're on the beach. Mime that out, and the sound effects are provided miraculously by Ryan.
Boing. Boing.
Leave that exciting point there. Well, yeah, and I just don't know how you can be beaten tonight, Ryan. But we'll work out a way later.